Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show exactly how to make money using these two platforms. Now the platforms that we're going to be using is PayPal and Grill. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with these two platforms, PayPal and Grill. Now if you don't know how to set up PayPal account, I'm going to make a video very soon about how to set up a working PayPal business account without any issues. So you're going to create it with your legit details without any issues. So if you want to see that video, tell me in the comment section and I'll make the video for you. Now once you have your PayPal account, you need to go and sign up at Grill. So go to grill.co. This is it. Now once you are here, you need to create an account as well. So after creating an account, what we are going to be doing is called arbitrage business. Now the arbitrage business, we are going to buy PayPal funds at a lower rate and come to this platform called grill.co and sell it at a higher rate. Now from the time I'm making this video, dollar at black market rate is 580, but you're going to be buying PayPal funds for around 480, 490 to 500, and you're going to come to this platform called grill.co. Let me show you their rate right here on this platform. In fact, it's one of the highest rates right now. Okay, so let me go back to this section. Okay, right here, let me scroll down, let me show you their rate. As you can see right here, $1 is selling for 518 naira. So this is one of the highest rates, and you're going to be buying PayPal funds for around 500 naira maximum, and you are going to come to this platform and sell it for 580. Now for you to do this business, you need to make sure that you have these two accounts set up already, PayPal and Grill. Now once you have the account set up, what you want to do is to link PayPal to Grill. Now to do that, you just need to come to this section right here and click on paid and gets paid. Then after clicking on paid and gets paid, click on this bank card. Now once you click on that, make sure you're already signed up to Grill and you have also requested for your virtual account. So you need to go to this account section, and this is my own virtual account, so you need to request for your virtual account. As you can see right here, I've not requested for my Great Britain pound account, so you just need to click on request in any one you want, whether euros, USD and Great Britain pound. You can have the three of them. So just request for the virtual account, and once they approve you, they are going to send you your bank account details, just like the one we have here on the screen right now. So once you have these two things set up, so you need to link your Grill bank to your PayPal. It's very simple. So to do that, just click on this link new bank. Now once you click on link new bank, it's going to open it up and ask us to enter our details. So you just come over to this section right here on Grill and copy your details. So the first thing we need to copy is the routing number. This is the routing number, so just copy it and go back to PayPal. Okay, it's loading. We'll now paste the routing number here. Then the next thing we need to copy right now is the account number. Okay, so to go back to Grill right here, this is the account number of the bank, and it's a Community Federal Savings Bank. Okay, so just copy the account number and paste it right here on this section. So once we've pasted it, PayPal is going to notice that it's a Community Federal Savings Bank. Now once we do that, we just click on link bank. I've already linked the bank, so I'm not going to link it again because I've done it. So just click on link bank. Once you link it, is going to link and tell you it's successful. Now for that, we have been able to link our PayPal to Grill. Now what we need to do right now is to source for funds. Okay, so we need to source for funds, tell people that you're buying PayPal funds and they are going to sell their PayPal funds to you for around 480, 490, 500. Now once they sell it to you around that amount, then what you need to do is to immediately send you the money on PayPal. You send them the equivalent in naira. Maybe you sold it for 500, you send them the equivalent in naira, multiplying by 500 of course. Then you come to this platform. Now you need to move the money from PayPal to this platform called Grill in order for you to make more profit. Now you're going to be making 18 naira profit on each dollar. So let's say you do that for around let's say you do the one of $500. Now multiply your profit 18 naira times 500, so that's what you're going to be getting. So there's a lot of money in this stuff. So and now for you to send the funds from PayPal to Grill, so you just need to click on this transfer money, and it's going to put it up and ask you which bank do you want to transfer the money to. So I have two banks already linked here. One is PayPal one is Payoneer and another one is Grill. So I'm going to be showing you very soon. If you want to see that video, tell me in the comment section how to link your Payoneer account to PayPal as well, in order for you to be able to send money from PayPal to Payoneer. It's possible. So this first one I know is for Grill, so we just select it right here, and it's going to show you that the money is going to be it's going to come 1 to 3 business days, and there's no fees. Okay, so you just click on next, and it's going to ask us how much do we want to send. So you can select how much you want to send. So let's say I want to send all this money. I'll just click on next, and it's going to tell me to confirm that I want to send this money to my Grill account. So once I confirm it, it's going to take 1 to 3 business days for the money to reflect. So I want to send it now because I want to use it to do something else. Okay, so once I send the money, I'm going to see the money right here. So if I go to balances and go to USD, you see that I've already sent one for test. As you can see, I have 99 cents here remaining, and let me show you. So this is one I sent $1, and Grill took 1 cent, and I have 99 cents remaining. And as you can see, the transaction here is complete. So this is how you send your money to Grill. Now once you have your money right here in Grill, what you want to do right now is to come to this section and swap the money. So swap fund, so click on swap fund, and it's going to show you your balance USD. You want to swap it to Naira, and as you can see, it's going to take it's going to ask me amount. So I'm going to enter the amount I want to swap. I want to swap just 0.99 cents. So let's see, I go 0.99 cents. So once I click it, it's going to tell me it's going to take 1 cent. Then no problem, and I'm going to have 564 Naira. So once I confirm it, I'll click on continue, and it's going to send the money to my bank account. Very simple, guys. This is a real good arbitrage business that you can start in order for you to make money. So you need to come to this section called cards and receipts to add your bank details. So if you go to this receipt section, I've added my bank details right here. So you need to add your bank details so that it's going to send the money from Grill to your bank account right here in your country, Nigeria. So that's how you do arbitrage business with PayPal and Payoneer. I believe you gained something from this video. So if you don't mind, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So if you want me to show you exactly how to create any of this account, or show you exactly how to get approved in all these accounts, so tell me in the comment section and I'll make all those videos for you. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, tell your friends about our channel, so that we're going to grow this channel and have a lot of things to share. So if you have any video you want me to make, maybe you're confused about something and you want me to share more light or make that kind of video for you, just tell me in the comment section. I'm always there to answer you, and I'll make the video for you. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.